My dear viewers, especially women over 15, today I'm gonna give you a couple of information about special natural remedies that you have in your kitchen, and they can help you a lot against the aging. They can visibly remove your wrinkles, feel you much better with more energy, and especially this is anti-aging natural remedies in your kitchen. Imagine waking up tomorrow looking in the mirror and seeing smoother, brighter, younger looking skin. Without spending hundreds of dollars on creams and salon treatments. Sound too good to be true? Well, the secret is closer than you think. The solution will already be sitting in your kitchen. I am Mario, and for more than 25 years I'll be helping women around the world restore their skin and confidence naturally. In today's video, I reveal 5 powerful kitchen ingredients that can reverse the visible signs of aging overnight, plus the best way to use them and the one common mistake that can sabotage your result. So my dear viewers, those ingredients are going to be 5 in today's my recommendations. Please write everything down. I believe it's going to help you a lot. Let's start with this. Why do kitchen ingredients work so well? Most commercial anti-aging creams are filled with the chemicals, synthetic fragrances, and preservatives. While they may smell nice or promise quick result, they often irritate mature skin, especially after 50, when skin becomes thinner and more sensitive. On the other hand, natural kitchen ingredients are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and enzymes without any harsh additives. They are fresh, safe, and effective because you are applying them in the purest form. Think of this like this. Just like fresh whole foods nourish your body better than processed junk food, fresh natural remedies feel your skin better than chemical creams. And the best part, you know exactly what you're putting on your skin. And this is crazy important, my dear viewers, because we live in the world, all of those commercials for the last, I don't know, a couple of decades, they promise you great result. You just put in those chemical creams or whatever in your skin, and you never feel younger. You feel a lot worse in the especially when you get older. Then you put on those injections, chemicals, operations, you will look even worse because you don't live healthy life. You don't take into consideration minerals, vitamins, and you don't take into consideration whole natural foods and whole natural remedies. My first recommendation is going to be honey natural moisturizer. Our first superstar is raw honey, often called liquid gold for the skin. Honey is naturally rich in enzymes, antioxidants, and gentle acids that work like mild exfoliant, removing dull dead skin cells while delivering deep hydration. Honey doesn't just moisturize, it actually helps the skin hold on to moisture, plumping up fine lines and making wrinkles appear softer. It also has antibacterial properties, which mean it can help your skin clean and reduce breakouts of irritation. How to use? Apply a thin layer of raw honey directly on the clear skin. This is so easy. You just need to find good quality organic honey, put it a little bit on your hands, on your skin, leave it for 20-30 minutes, and then with lukewarm water just remove it. And then apply some kind of gentle natural cream like aloe vera or similar kind of natural creams. This is going to help you a lot. So this is my first recommendation for good quality natural anti-aging natural remedy. This is going to be raw honey. My second recommendation is going to be cucumber. This is hydration hero. You've probably seen the spa treatments when they place cucumber slices on their eyes. That's not just for the show. Cucumber is 96% water and packed with the vitamin C and silica, both crucial for the collagen and skin elasticity. It cools the skin, reduces puffiness, and calms redness almost instantly. For women dealing with the tired, swollen eyes or skin irritation, cucumber is a game changer. How to use? Slice chilled cucumber and place slice directly on your face for the 15 minutes. You can also make some kind of paste with the cucumber, but also you can just slice a cucumber, put it on your face, not just on your eyes, on your other part of your face. Leave it for 15-20 minutes, then wash with lukewarm water. This is going to help you a lot. So this is my second recommendation, cucumber. My third recommendation is going to be oatmeal. This is gentle exfoliator. Our third ingredient is oatmeal, and no, it's not just for the breakfast. Oatmeal is one of the best remedies for sensitive aging skin because it's rich in compound called antibacterials and the beta-glucan. Those soothe inflammation, reduce redness, and unlock the moisture. Unlike harsh scrubs that damage delicate skin, oatmeal works as a gentle exfoliator. It removes dead cells, unclogs pores, and leaves skin soft without stripping it of natural oils. How to use? Grind 2 tablespoons of plain oats into fine powder. Mix it with a little bit of water and form paste. You all have these oatmeal. Find some good quality organic oatmeal. Put it in some kind of bowl, add a little bit of water, put it in the blender, make some kind of perfect paste and put it on your face. This paste is going to be perfect. Also leave it for 15-20 minutes. Remove oatmeal paste from your face, put good quality natural creams and moisturizer. It's going to be perfect. My fourth recommendation is going to be olive oil. This is collagen booster. You may already use it in your cooking, but it's also one of the oldest beauty secrets in the world. Olive oil is rich in vitamin E, polyphenols, and healthy fats. Olive oil helps protect your skin from the free radicals, those unstable molecules that speed up aging and cause wrinkles. Even better, olive oil supports collagen production, helping your skin stay firm and elastic. It nourishes deeply, restores the skin barrier, and leaves your face with a healthy glow. How to use? Warm 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil between your hands and gently massage your skin before the bed. Put it on your hands, then put it on your face just before the sleep and leave it overnight. And when you see, in a very short period of time, good quality skin, remove the wrinkles. You just need, as always, a good quality organic natural product like is olive oil. It's going to help you a lot. And my last, and this is going to be 5th recommendation, is going to be lemon. Packed with vitamin C and citric acid, lemon brightens dull skin, fades dark spots, and helps with uneven tone. It works like natural peel by encouraging new cell growth. But here's one important safety note. Lemon can make your skin more sensitive to the sunlight. That means you should only use at night and always apply sunscreen the next day. How to use? Mix 1 part of the fresh lemon juice with 1 part of the water. Dab on the dark spots or dull areas with a cotton pad. Leave it for 10 minutes, then rinse. Over time, your skin will look brighter and even more. A lot of people above 50-60 years old have all those age skin spots, and they really can damage your self-esteem. But lemon is one of the best natural remedies that can help you remove those skin spots. This is my 5 natural remedies, and my last recommendation is going to be anti-aging mask. Now, if you want supercharged result, here's my favorite recipe: the kitchen fountain of youth mask. It combines all 5 ingredients for a powerful anti-aging boost. 2 tablespoons of raw honey, 1 tablespoon of ground oatmeal, 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of cucumber juice, 3 drops of fresh lemon juice. Mix into smooth paste and apply directly on your clear skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave it for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse with the cool water. Do this 2 to 3 times a week, and within a month you will see brighter, firmer, and younger looking skin. A few safety remedies before you start. Always patch test new ingredients on your wrist for the check for the sensitivity. Use fresh organic produce when possible, and never use lemon on your skin during the day without the sunscreen. And remember, consistency is the key. Natural remedies don't work overnight miracles, but with regular use, 4 to 6 weeks, you will see unbelievably transformation. You just need to start practicing in everyday life, and you will see good, youthful skin even sooner. 4 to 6 weeks. My recommendation is going to be always practicing intermittent fastings, exercise regularly, and follow my instructions. Every day I'm making, for the last 7 years, I'm making those kind of videos, especially for the woman, and this is my recommendation for you. After 7 years, this is my new channel that is called Mario Lab Health, Women's Health Channel, especially for women on English language, and I believe you subscribe to my channel regularly, you will receive this kind of information. But today I was thinking about and talking about something that is unbelievably important: healthy kitchen ingredients for your anti-aging skin. If you want to learn a lot more information on best natural vitamins that can help you a lot with your skin, watch my video right here. Thank you for following my videos. See you in the next video. God bless you. God bless your family. Bye bye.